Fleet and commercial truck repair shop managers and technicians are dealing with a perfect storm. More vehicle systems, more software requirements, and more data than ever. Diagnostics used to be simple. One shop, one truck, and a hands-on tech handling reprogramming, repairs, or maintenance like DPF regens. Today it's about connecting full diagnostic platforms from one technician to another, enabling proprietary functions from across the shop or across the country. With Autel's remote programming technology, imagine having an all-makes diagnostic tool in every shop. One that covers all brands and components, delivering 98% of the functionality needed to keep your fleet on the road while boosting shop efficiency and lowering operating costs. Now imagine letting your top technicians handle the rare OEM-level functions, less than 2% of all repairs, from a central technical support center. That's the power of remote programming. Higher tech and shop efficiency, lower total costs, real-time support, and zero workflow interruptions. Your shop techs train on one tool and only send a repair ticket to your technical support desk when true OEM functionality is required. For large fleet managers, the Autel remote programming ecosystem, available exclusively from Triad Diagnostic Solutions, delivers greater efficiency, higher productivity, reduced training demands, and lower costs, all while giving you the total control you've been waiting for in one unified system. Large fleet operators can scan, update, and program vehicles from anywhere, whether from one central shop or a dedicated technical support desk serving multiple locations. A centralized expert can securely access any connected truck to diagnose issues, clear codes, configure systems, run DPF regens, reflash controllers, and more, all in real time. Larger fleets gain full OEM-level capability from one location to any truck in their network, in any shop with an internet connection across North America. Now, with remote programming technology, exclusively from Triad and powered by Autel, large fleets can manage thousands of vehicles with true centralized efficiency. It's about cutting costs, simplifying the complexity, and keeping your trucks up and running, unlike OEM tools that handle systems one at a time. Autel performs total vehicle diagnostics, analyzing every module in one pass. Stay connected, stay efficient, stay ahead.